Alright folks, tonight we are going to be making birria tacos. So street food, they are freaking amazing tacos that everybody should put inside of them. Our ingredients are some guajillo chilies, pasilla chilies, beef broth, some coriander seeds that we're going to be crushing up into fresh coriander. Got about almost 3 pounds of boneless short rib here. Got some fresh cilantro, marble jack cheese. We'll be shredding that to put on the tacos later. We got corn tortillas, white onion, chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, and fire roasted diced tomatoes. So let's go ahead and get the first step out of the way, which is we're going to be bringing 2 cups of beef broth to a boil. We're going to take 4 of these guajillo chilies and 2 of these pasilla chilies, destem them, get the seeds out of them, and then we're going to add in the boiling broth to the chilies to soften them up. Alright, if you look here, I've got my peppers inside my blender. I've got the 2 cups of boiling beef broth poured in there, and now we're just going to let that sit while I get the meat prepared. Alright, so we got our meat here. I'm going to coat them in a little bit of avocado oil. And then I've got my seasoning here. This is BFF. It's just salt, pepper, and granulated garlic. Perfect little blend. We'll get these coated and get them prepared. Okay, so now I've got my Instant Pot on saute on more. We're going to go ahead and get the short rib seared. We've got a full white onion chopped up, 6 cloves of garlic minced up. So now we just have to wait on this to heat up, and then we'll get to searing. Okay, Instant Pot is hot. Let's go ahead and get these in and start searing. Okay, so the meat has been seared. I've added in a little extra oil into the bottom. We're going to get this bowl of onions cooking. We'll get all that fond up here shortly. Alright, now we're going to add in about 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to bring up all the fond. And then we're going to add in our garlic, let it cook for about 45 seconds. Turn the heat off, and then add in the beef. Okay, garlic has been added. It's been about 45 seconds, 50 seconds. It's starting to smell fragrant. Now we're going to mix that all in with the onion. We'll get the beef added in, kill the heat, and then we will move on to the blender to finish off our sauce. Okay, to finish off our sauce, we're going to add a tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and we've got 2 teaspoons of fresh ground coriander. We're going to add 2 of these chipotle peppers and this entire can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. We'll add that into the blender. We'll get that blended up, and then we will pour this sauce over this. Alright, sauce has been blended and added on top of everything that was in this pot. Now we're going to put the lid on and pressure cook it for 1 hour on a high. Okay, so it's been an hour pressure cooking, and now we're going to take a piece out. Now this should just disintegrate in this bowl here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Look at there. I know it's all steamy, but you can see that just shredding right up with just the tongs. Oh yeah, that's what we want right there. That is what we want. Alright, I'm going to get all the meat out of here, shred it up, then it'll be time to make some tacos. Okay, so I've shredded all the meat. I've then dipped a tortilla into the sauce, placed it on the flat top cast iron here. We're going to let that sizzle up a minute, flip it over, and we'll just build our taco. I'll show you the end result. And there we have it, folks. 3 prepared birria tacos, garnished with a little bit of fresh cut cilantro, a little extra sauce on top. Now it's time to put this in us. Hope you've enjoyed the content. By all means, hit that subscribe button if you haven't.